How to open multiple YouTube channels under one account in mobile. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open multiple YouTube channels under one account in mobile. So let's get started. First of all, head over to Google. You can do this from the YouTube application. So you're going to head over to Google, Safari or Chrome and search for youtube.com. So you need to keep one thing in mind, that if you only search YouTube, they will redirect you to the YouTube application. So you're going to specifically search for youtube.com. Next, you're going to bring this website to the desktop version. So click on these three dots at the top right, and then you're going to scroll down till you find the option of desktop site. If you're using Safari, then you can simply click on AA at the bottom left and just click on request desktop. Once done, you can simply click on your profile and then you're going to click on settings over here at the bottom. Simply click on settings and you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So you're going to click on account, and over here you'll be able to see your YouTube channel. So what you're going to do is, within the account section and within your YouTube channel, you're going to click on this option that says create a new channel. Once you do so, they will ask you for name or handle. So you can give it any name. Make sure the name is unique. For example, you can type in anything you want. Let's say I've written tutorial videos and then YouTube will suggest a handle for you. You can just edit the handle and type in anything you want and then click on create channel and simply wait for the channel to get created and then simply load the page once again. So click on your profile and then you're going to click on settings option over here at the bottom, and then you'll be redirected to account. So over here you're going to click on add or manage your channel. Simply click on that, and once you do so, you'll be able to see your new channel listed over here, and just wait for it to get loaded. And here you can see this is the new channel that we just created. So that is how you can create multiple YouTube channels under one account in mobile. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.